Okay, I had to get this on film. We came down to Lower Arizona to get out of the snow, and look what it's doing. It's mid-February, and it is snowing heavily, and I mean big flakes, right here in Arizona. Unbelievable. We're out in the desert, and it's snowing, and very thick. As you can see. Jesus Christ. Oh, poor Cricket. She's getting covered with snow. Poor baby. This is unbelievable. Snowing in Arizona. A little cactus over there is getting covered in it. What a year. It's not a light snow, it is a heavy snow. Right now Dawn's patting the sides and top of the tent to keep the snow from accumulating. We don't want the tent ripping like it did in Colorado. Look at that. Unbelievable. Don, what gets me is it's such big flakes. I mean, yeah. We're not talking about a light snow. This is heavy stuff. Look at that little cactus up there. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.